Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update before these will cover it all up. Me and Jack have been doing all the filters for Squeaky. First fix for the all the electrics in here. So just to go through what we've been doing is we've got 8 downlights that have gone in here, all being controlled via here, which is going to be a smart switch. There's also 4 downlights going to go into the soffits, so they're all sorted. Now what we've got is you're going to have on the back wall over there's going to be TV, HDMIs, all that sort of stuff going in over there, because you're going to have a TV and like a settee area here. We've also going to have put in some live audio, which is really looking forward to using that. I've never actually used it personally yet, so that's all in. So we've put all our cables in ready for that. We've got network gone in as well. So down here we're going to have so we've got our armoured coming in now. We're going to put a little 6-way consumer unit on here, network switch underneath for all that, and then we're going to use the armoured version of network to get it back hardwired into the house. So these boys are now insulating all the ceilings. So what I've done, where my downlights are going to be, it's all clipped up, but I don't want any insulation in that. So then that way I can keep it all away from everything, all the way from the cables, because as you saw from the previous video, when you get these are all LEDs and stuff. If you're using halogens and stuff like that, you need to keep some space around there. The boys have been absolutely smashing it here. I'll just give you a little bit of a tour on that. So it's all anthracite, soffit and fascia going on. There's you can't really see it now because I've just covered it up for the weatherproofing as such, but basically where that is there's going to be a big framed window for matching pair on that side and some French doors. But the lads have actually been all recording all this, so you'll get to see all that. So down this end we've got a supply out ready for aircon, because I think aircon's going to go in here at some stage. So yeah, so it's going to be a really cool project. Now, power supply, we've already been here from previous, because we're actually doing the extension where Stevie's standing. All that is going to be another extension that we're doing in a matter of months that we're starting that. So the power's already been run, because the consumer unit for the main house is like way over that side. It's literally the furthest point away from where we are right now. So like I say, on the previous videos that we've done, we've rewired this garage completely now, and so we've got our supply up to this point here. So that's all ready to go, and then Jack's just brought in my my armoured coming through, so then we're going to go straight up into that little beauty. So yeah, so because the homeowner, to be fair, is trying to get everything, he's absolutely boiling, so sorry for the old red face. The homeowner's trying to get everything as so he can control absolutely everything via his phone. So even to the point in this room in the garage, I can control the garage door via my phone, all the outside lights, and it's a similar sort of setup for there. And also when we come to do the extension, all that's going to be all smartly controlled. So yeah, so very, very busy, but just thought I'd better show you that before they cover it all in, because I reckon in a matter of days it'll all be done, boarded out, skimmed out and ready for me. So yeah, like I say, hope you enjoy these videos, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, links in the corner, and I shall catch you later.